little stakes left behind. So pulling all these out, thing is I got a blind repair that I needed. You know, for this cable, there's a much better way of running this. You might check out my video on how to do a professional install for cabling that'll hide that, where I tuck it in behind the carpet back here. There's a space that works out much better rather than stapling this above ground. It just looks much more professional when it's tucked in behind the carpet tack strip there. You can check out my video on that. Or I can show you here. But anyway, right behind there, see that gap there? It's just perfect for running cable around, or a DSL line or anything like that, rather than stapling it above the carpet, which is what I mostly find. Anyway, back to my repair at hand here. What I've got is a set of vertical blinds, and it's probably just time to replace this set anyway. But I've got one broken here that's coming apart. You see when I pull the cord, again, probably just time to get rid of these anyway, but just thought I'd show you how to repair this. What happens is that one doesn't spin anymore because the little deal here is separating. See that? So what I'm going to do is rotate this to where it should be and then push it together so that it holds the gear in place. Okay? And now everything will work properly as long as that gear is held in place. And glue is not really gonna work for this one. What I'm gonna try to do is use that little metal to make a little deal to hold that in place. Okay, just to try to show this a little better with a paper clip. Basically, what you do is take one side up like so. This will be the side that you pass through the center of the blinds. And then you'll pass it through the center hole, and then this side will get bent up, and that's what's going to hold both sides together.
For one,
and you can always take a second piece,
position it properly here first.
By having the one side bent first, it'll just eliminate the need to push that side up. But anyway, that's what's going to hold the blinds together. When I did it, I just did it straight through the hole, and then I was able to push up one side, like so.
Push it over.
And what I'm going to do, and then on the other side, was able to push up the other side as well. And so I had one facing down and one facing up to make it nice and strong. So that's the deal there.
It's not going to be that easy. Anyway, now we're held together where I want it to be. Now I'll try bending this up and in. There's this side. Okay, now on the other side. There we go. Okay. And now we're in there. Okay. Held in place. Now I got to make sure we got the ability to open the blinds without it hanging up, and the ability to close the blinds without it hanging up. And the final test is the ability to rotate. All right. Good to go. Anyway, that'll hold it there. We're all set. And it might not hold forever, but I don't need it to hold forever. Just need to hold it for a long time. But it's doing what it's supposed to do.
holding the deal together. All right. Looks like I just need another slat for the end there. Yeah, we're good to go. All fixed. So what I can do to make it stronger is take another piece and do the same thing. But I think what I'll do on this one is trim that piece down a little bit, so I've got this plastic cable anchor. Pull out the metal portion and trim this down on both sides a little bit so that it's closer and it's not going to hang up on anything. And run this through and do the same thing. Thread it on through, push it on up. Yeah, that's good. In fact, I'll turn this one this way a little bit. And push it on up there, like so. And this side, same thing, just push it down. Hold it over and push it down. Beautiful, we're in. They'll just give a second line of defense, make it a little stronger. We're all set there. Good to go.